Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to change your phone on TikTok. So just open the app. I'm just quickly gonna mute it here. Good, okay. Then go to profile, which is down below to the right, here. Then go to the three little lines. Click settings and privacy. And then click on manage account. Here, I don't have a set phone number, but if you do, you can just click it and set the phone number you want to yours. If you want to change it, they will just send you an email to your email for a code, or a code to your phone that you're currently using to confirm that you're the one doing the change. You can then just put on a new phone in there. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time.